First question. Consider the following statement regarding labor force participation rate. Labor force participation rate refers to the proportion of the working age population that is either working or actively seeking work. It is true. As per Periodic Labor Force Survey 2024, the main labor force participation rate in India is 78.8%. and female labor force participation rate is 41.1%. True. A higher proportion of women are engaged in unpaid family labor compared to men. It is true. Hence option B, C for cat. Question number 2. Green hydrogen is produced through the electrolysis of water using renewable energy sources such as solar energy and wind energy. It is true. Haber process convert nitrogen and hydrogen into ammonia under high temperature and pressure. True. Option 2. Second, Genetic Engineering Appraisal Committee. Genetic Engineering Appraisal Committee under the Ministry of Forest, Environment, Forest and Climate Change. True. It is responsible for appraisal of genetically engineered organisms and their environmental release, including experimental field trials. It is true. It is chaired by Secretary of Department of Biotechnology. This is wrong because it is chaired by Secretary of Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. The answer would be 1 and 2. So 1 and 2. This A for apple. Fourth question. Consider the following statement regarding biostimulants. Biostimulants help plant tolerate abiotic stress, including drought, salinity, and heat. It is true. The biostimulant directly supply essential nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium to the plants. It is wrong because biostimulants increase natural plant processes. They do not supply directly essential nutrients to the plant. Biostimulants includes natural substances like humic acid, algal extract, and plant derived polyethanols. It is true. So answer will be 1 and not correct. Now you have to, this is wrong. It is C is correct. Option C is correct. This is wrong. Consider the following statement regarding the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India is statutory body. Correct. Under the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India 1999. It is true. Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India is responsible for certifying insurance companies and adjudicating disputes in the insurance sector. True. Answer 1 and 2. C.